I'm Shane White, and this is The Process.
Hey gang, Shane Patrick White here with another edition of The Process. On today's daily, well, maybe not daily, but Developer's Diary, I'm going to show you some of the pencils I've been working on. It's been an interesting journey. As you can see, the Legion has been illustrated, which does take a long time. So it's good to pace yourself. My horses have taken a lot of research, so they don't end up sucking, which is a little too easy. Horses are one of those things, it's like if you don't draw them every day, it could be one thing off and they don't look like a horse. They start looking like a dog or some other animal. Let's see, what else we got? Oh, here's another version of, not another version, but another page that has the Legion, but they're smaller. So that makes it really, man, it's a long day. But for whatever reason, I was able to, once I got the layouts done, the penciling went rather quickly. For whatever reason, I seem to be able to pencil like 2 pages a day, maybe 2.5. Just depends on the amount of detail. But usually when you do the layout, it's about composition, flow, energy. And then when you do the penciling stage, it's just rendering. It's rendering, showing your lights and shadows and trying to get that locked in. So that's pretty much a, sort of an editing phase, because you're also like, does that layout work? Can I push things a little more? So with every step you do, you're pushing things and you're trying to refine it and lock it into that final place. So I sent in the pencils, and the writer was very, I think his name is Frank Marafino. The writer was very gracious in his praise, probably a little too gracious. I'm not used to that, actually. Usually when I'm collaborating with people, it's kind of like, oh, cool. And then that's it, if anything. And sometimes editors will not actually respond, but this editor, Rance Hosley, I think his name is, he was also very kind. And yeah, it's been great so far. I have 4 more pages to do, but I'm waiting on paper. I think I mentioned before, I'd ordered a lot of paper, not just for this project, but for other projects that I'm going to be doing. So it should be here on the 11th. Then I can get back to laying out and penciling. But today, I think I'm going to start inking. I woke up early and I started doing a test, just to try to get a feel for what I was hoping to do with these inks. Again, I hate this drawing, so I don't feel so bad about screwing up any inking on it. But each day I think I'll do a warm-up just to sort of remind myself, okay, where am I at? I don't typically warm up, but I'm trying to nail a certain look and style that has been elusive for me. And some people may say, oh, why bother? Just go with what you naturally do. That's good and bad, but I've given myself a challenge to try something very specific. And I'm hoping that a sort of a rougher look, which will respond to the rough paper, will give this gritty, warlike story the gravitas that it needs. So that's what I'm hoping to do. And yeah, until next time, thanks for watching. Take care.